Hi everyone, welcome back to Garage Style Weekly Vlogs. This is episode 4. Going to be a crazy busy week this week. We've got the team today off to Liverpool to get 3 installations done, so they've got a busy one, going to be a late finish for them. And we've got a celebrity installation coming on Thursday and a few vented tile installations, so we'll show you those as well using our new vented range. So keep watching. Thanks everyone for the support. Last week's video we had a lot of people sharing it, so we always appreciate that, and keep watching for what's to come this week.
Morning guys, it's officially 4:26 in the morning. Yep, nice early one for me today. I'm on my way to pick up James as we speak, the other part of the A-team, to go down to Cornwall. Got 2 installations down there today. Yeah, we're going to definitely need some coffee today. Little update on our Tour de Cornwall. Yeah, we swapped drivers and wrong address, so we're back to Exeter. Let's see how this goes.
Just arrived in Exeter for our next job. This is for a detailing company called Suds Law. We went to the wrong address originally, but now we're here on the right job. Time to get started, Adam.
Woohoo!
All finished. This is our grey and black tiles in a checkered design with a white border around where the car's going to go. Customer's very happy. On to the next one.
Right, it's Wednesday morning, early start today. I'm just going to go pick George up and head over to the unit. We've got to load some tiles on, and then we're going to go meet Adam and James in London Coney. We've got a nice job on for Cold Candy, our friends who do the sweets, so we'll go get that done, we'll show you that. Then the team are going to go off to Essex to do another job, and me and James are going to go over to see a familiar face and get a garage done, so we'll be showing you that as well, so keep watching.
As you know, yesterday, me and James went on a nice little adventure down to Cornwall. And we also bought the boys, the B team, back a little treat. So here you go, George. Here's a Cornish pasty from Cornwall. Cheers, yeah. Mate. Harry, there you go, mate. Boss man.
Thank you, mate.
Not a problem.
What do you reckon?
I reckon it's a lot better than yours.
Made to measure.
Made to measure, mate. Made to measure.
So we're just getting the floor done for our friends at Cold Candy. DMO plugged us with these guys. So we're doing this new unit for them. It's coming along nicely. Got the boys just filling this out in here. And we've got Adam in the office doing some cuts.
Access panel there, wait.
We're just cutting around the access panels so they can still access the sockets. So it's coming along nicely. Stay tuned to see the final product. So me and James have just got to the next job of the day. We're going to be doing this double garage for a very familiar place I'm sure a lot of you will recognise. So this is where he keeps one of his cars and his bike, so we're going to be getting this all cleared up, ready to go, and we'll show you some of the progress along the way. Next job's coming along nicely. This is our dark grey tiles. We've got James in the background just measuring up these last edges around the boiler, and then it'll be time to give everything a clean up, make a few last finishing touches. Coming along nicely, we've got George and Adam now joined us. Last few bits, and we'll give it a clean up. And that's us done for the day.
So we're all finished. My garage floor has been completed by Garage Style Limited, and as expected, the finish is unbelievable. I could not be happier with it. It's such a clean look that we've gone for. Lovely. Is it the dark grey that?
Dark grey, yeah.
Dark grey. Oh, as soon as I saw it, I knew that was the one I wanted. And then they've put the car logos, well, the vehicle logos, in there as well. These are the touches, these are the details, that little touch of class. It was what sold it for me, really. I was looking around and these boys, the way they do these touches, it just made it an easy decision, and I'm not disappointed. I'm a happy customer. If you need your garage floor doing, look no further than Garage Style Limited. The boys are unbelievable. They turned up on time, they work fast. This whole thing finished, from start to finish, less than 2 hours. So even that, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if they were going to be here all day, but they're literally in and out, and the quality of the job is unbelievable as well. So guys, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you.
Thank you.
Couldn't be happier.
The GP will see you now.
So that's it guys, another week done. It's been a busy one. Thanks everyone for watching. We filmed as much as we could this week, but we've been all over the place, up and down the country. Next week's another busy one, and we've got a floor being laid for an Olympic champion. So make sure you're subscribed to watch next week's video. And thanks everyone for the support. Lots of inquiries coming through, so it's keeping us busy. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next week.